Hello and welcome to the next episode of my Demex app. So this time we will go further into how you create schedules. So this is like a opening schedule, or call it closing schedule if you like. So as mentioned previously, you can have as many schedules as you want, but only one active at a time so they don't crash. So you go to the right gate, make sure you're on the right gate, and that you choose in the dashboard, as you can see on a different clip. And when you're on the right gate, you then click on the bottom tab, which looks like a calendar. That's where you do the schedules. Okay, so here you have a create button, which does create a new schedule. So you press create, and then you can put a name on the schedule, for example, Monday to Friday workdays, or holidays, or weekends, or like you can have, for example, open all the time, which is something we use, for example, on our front and back gate at our factory here at Demex. When do we use this? Yes, we use this when, for example, the snow plower wants to plow the snow. We then just activate the open all the time because we don't know exactly when they come, but roughly, and then we just press activate. So we activate the open all the time, and that will activate it then. So after pressing create, you then have the option to name the schedule. Could be very handy if you have different schedules. And then you have the possibility to activate holidays. So you don't want Christmas to open even though it's a Thursday. When a normal Thursday would open from 7 to 4, you activate this one. And then you have add opening time. So you have a possibility to add when it should be opening. First, what clock, so what time, and then what day, Monday to Sunday. Maybe you want a different opening on a Friday, no problem. That's up to you to choose. And once you confirmed both the opening and closing time, you can then press add. So that will then add it, and then the final button just is to create. So you create it, and in your list of schedules, you will then have a new schedule. And if you want more schedules, no problem. You can then create again, and you do the same process, and you might want a different one. So you obviously have to, for example, if there is a holiday time period, you obviously have to go and switch. And there is a very handy function in the notifications, which we will clarify for you later, there where you will see that the gate hasn't been closing, and but it's summer holidays. Oh, we've forgotten to change the schedule. That will then allow you to look on your app and then see that the gate is open, and then you can very quickly switch. I hope this describes a bit how you create schedules. And all the best with creating schedules, and don't miss our next video. Thank you.